Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Tales. In this video, I will discuss the Wiki Cat token, what is the price prediction in the future, what is especially going on, especially in that particular meme token, what is the main point of attraction of that particular Wiki Cat token wiki. If you see that it is currently most famous or most talked about cryptocurrency in this particular meme tokens category, because it's already given us 500% return in just last 1 month. Okay, if you see there, but in 7 days there is a kind of profit booking. That's why the price is declining and the profit booking is happening slowly, but in 1 days you can see there is some kind of hop, because it's creating a support at this level. The previous investor who booked their profit, now they are re-entering in that particular token and accumulating the Wiki Cat token, and new investors is also coming. So before investing, it is very important for all of us to know what the project is, what are their main utility in the future, and what will they are committed to do. So if you see, it is a purely a meme token. Okay, first thing is purely a meme token. There is not any kind of any utility based token. Okay, first of all. Second, it is created on the Binance blockchain. Okay, BAP20 token. The most important thing which making this particular token is very famous is regarding its holder. It's increasing their holders slowly in very exponential way. You can see there is an 110,000 holders already exist on chain data. If you say there, it is mostly listed on decentralized exchange. If you go on there and tap click on the market, you will see here in the name of centralized exchange there are only 5 exchanges: La Token, Bitcoin, KCX, Get.io and MEXC. If you see, only the MEXC and Get.io is a well reputed centralized exchange which is creating lots of volume. But if you see, there is not any kind of a volume is generating on that particular exchange. But in decentralized exchange, the most important exchange is Pancake Swap. You can see there the majority of volume is generating on this alone. Pancake Swap, $500,000 volume is generating on this particular exchange. If you see there are lots of transaction is happening via Pancake Swap. So first choice, if you want to buy the Wiki Cat token, the Pancake Swap is the first choice. You can go and buy from that particular token because it is already in very at the very cheap rate. If you see, there is a changing of around just little bit, only 1% is price movement. If you see, in last 24 hours the maximum price is 0.000000 point, after point there is 80, okay, and 18 series, and last point 17 series. Okay, there is not any kind of fluctuation or volatility in last 24 hour. Price is stable, you can go at that level. But slowly DCA, it is a low market cap hidden gem. If you want to invest at that particular time of investment, you see only $96 million is market cap. If the market cap become 1 billion, your invested amount will become 10x. If you invest at that particular time only $100, okay, if the market cap become 1 billion, your $100 investment will be $1,000. Okay, but it is crypto, especially this is the very meme token. It is very risk and high reward ratio also exists in that particular token, because there is an hype, there is a community engagement, but slowly the price is creating some kind of buzz in the crypto market. As you can see, uh, on 11th of August the price pump very hard. Okay, very hard. In last 1 month it is already given 511% gain in last 1 month. Okay, the investors are buying more. This is the yesterday. Okay, 109531 holders, but in today the holder is already increased. Okay, if you see here, around 1000 new holder has joined the Wiki Cat. And one more important thing you have to know about the Wiki Cat token. If you buy from on chain, especially from PancakeSwap, there is a charge of 2%. Okay, if you buy from PancakeSwap by giving the BNB of around $100, there is a charge of 2%. Okay, if you buy $100 amount, but in return you will get $98 value Wiki Cat token. 2% is deducted from your invested amount, on which 1% is burned on the spot quickly, as you can see on this particular on-chain transaction. On every buying or every selling, 1% is burned at the time of buying or selling instantly without any delay. That's why it is a deflationary token. Over time its quantity decreases as the buying and selling. It depends on the volume. If there is lots of volume happening, but in current scenario it is around $1 million volume generated per day. As you can see there, only out of 1000 trillion, only 546 trillion is remaining. 300 trillion burned manually at the time of creating the token by the deployer, but after that huge amount is burned via this deflationary mechanism. If you buy, token burn; if you sell, token burn; if you transfer from one wallet to another wallet, token burning event. Okay, if you transfer from your decentralized wallet like Trust Wallet, and if you transfer from your self custodial wallets to any exchange, just like MEXC, if you want to sell there, okay, that's also the burning will take place. So it's creating this kind of token is very unique, because on every transaction there is a burning mechanism is happening simultaneously, automatically, without your involvement. If I show you on just today, 29th of August, 57 billion token has been burned in last 24 hours. If I click 28th of August, 142 billion token burned. Okay, on 27, 142. Okay, and on 26th of August, 112 billion. Okay, if I click on this 19th of August, you can see 500 billion token burned. If you see here, the circulating supply at 19th of August is 548 trillions. Okay, but today you can see 546, around 2 trillion token is burned in last 10 days. Are you able to understand what I am trying to say to you? If you hold this particular token, since you're holding, if you hold for next 2 years or 3 years, you can see at that time the circulating supply will be around something 400 trillions. Okay, so around 146 trillion will be burned by this mechanism alone. Recently, there is a listing of Wiki Cat token on Indian most famous exchange, Sun Crypto. Okay, on 22nd of August. It is also listed on Compare Market Cap. You can also see there. There is a listing of Wiki Cat token, which is very important for the whole Wiki Cat community. As the price is increasing, okay, the investor who invest very early, okay, if they see the price will dump, they will sell, they will definitely sell. There is a chance the price may further down, okay, though, so it can check that level also, point after point 6 and 11 series or 12 series, okay, so it can check 11 and 12 series also in future if the pressure of selling building. So it will be the great opportunity to invest in Wiki Cat token, especially at when the price will be 0.00000001 series. Okay, it will be the best point at which you can invest. Okay, but don't invest whole your capital in that particular token, because crypto is a very volatile, very risky. Risk and reward ratio is also here. If you want to make investment in crypto, only 5% you can invest in particular meme tokens, but not alone in that only particular token. You have to invest around 5 to 6 meme token. If anyone is pump, okay, your amount will increase. You can't imagine 10x or even 100x, because this token already given 100x profit to their investment, to their investor. Okay, as you can see there, the all-time chart, there is around 162x return has already given to the early investors. If you see, the all-time low is around point, okay, 10 and 57 series. Point is followed by 10 0 and 57 series. And if anyone who invested at that price has gained around 300x profit, not 300, 3000x profit has already given already, because 40 has been killed. And recently it created 10 days ago all-time high, 0.00000047 series. After that there is a profit booking, and price has been declined around 63% from their all-time high. So it's all about Wiki Cat token. If you want to invest in that particular token, it is at very cheap, okay, because already there is a correction of 63% from all-time high. So if you want to invest, go for it and research before investment. Thank you very much for this video. Jai Hind.